Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Windows won't resist repositioning. First, confirm whether you're on Windows 10 or 11 in Settings so you follow the right path. Then, on Windows 10, right-click an empty taskbar area and uncheck Lock the taskbar so you can drag it. Make sure no full-screen apps or pinned toolbars are forcing placement. Close them. Once done, you're ready to physically move the bar or adjust the alignment setting in the next step. Now you'll perform the main repositioning. On Windows 10, click and hold a blank area of the unlocked taskbar and drag it to the bottom edge. Release when it snaps into place. This physically moves the Start menu with it. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and under Taskbar Behaviors set Alignment to Left. This restores the classic Start placement appearance. Make sure display scaling and multiple monitors aren't preventing snaps. Adjust those in display settings if needed. Finish by locking your work and testing the Start menu. Once the bar is at the bottom, right-click it and re-enable Lock the taskbar so it stays put, and open the Start menu to confirm behavior. If the Start menu is unresponsive or still at the top, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer, and try again. If problems persist on Windows 11, inspect any third-party customization tools or multi-monitor software. Disabling them often restores default placement and prevents recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.